All right, so for today, we're gonna be replacing the emblems on this car. So I bought this car used, and it actually had the red emblems on it. And then after a while, slamming the trunk, car washes. I don't even know if these are legit emblems, but this one came off in one of the automatic car washes. So I went ahead and ordered, I didn't order, my wife ordered for me, custom handmade carbon fiber ones with red. Here they are, the front and the back. They have a high gloss to them. Overall, they look pretty good. Like I said, they're handmade, so these aren't like machine cut and all that stuff. These are handmade, blade, everything. But they look really good. So what we're using to install these is obviously going to be a hair dryer to take off the old ones. 3M adhesive cleaner to remove any of the adhesive that gets stuck. And then we have the tape, 3M tape. I'm gonna try to get away with 3M tape only, but if it looks kind of sketchy, like I said, I don't know how they put the other ones on, then we'll use a little bit of this in between the areas that are not covered by the 3M tape. And then lastly is gonna be the painter's tape, and that's the one we're putting on after we get the emblems mounted and everything. All right, so to get the old ones off, we're actually gonna use a hair dryer. We're just gonna use low setting, and we're gonna go around it for a little bit. And then we'll see if we can pry these off. Like I said, I'm not sure how the previous owner mounted these on, so we're about to find out. So this one just had like a layer that went all the way around of adhesive. The little tabs pretty much didn't even go in to line it up. So, like I said, I'm not sure where they got these from or if these are even, you know, legit. So for the rear, we're just going to do the same thing and do that all the way around. Pull it off. Now I've seen the front one. I'm pretty sure the back one is the exact same way. All right, so there's not too much leftover adhesive on here due to how they put the other ones on or whatever adhesive was used on that. So we're just going to use this 3M stuff just to basically clean it up before we put on the other emblems. So here's the symbol prepped. We did 3 layers of the 3M tape, and then in the center this is a 3M plastic emblem adhesive. So we'll see how this works out, see how it looks, and hopefully we don't have to redo it. The rear all done. Looks pretty good. All right, so here is the final product. Looks good. And to the back. Looks good.